Hello everyone. 51st session in Computer Application in Business of 5th semester BPA affiliated to Bengaluru North University. In this session, we are going to understand Tally and its features. Just to recap the content of the previous class, we understood the overall system structure and its functional components such as query processor, store manager, and disk storage. When it comes to query processor, the subcomponents like data manipulation language compiler, which basically translates DML statements into a query language, and embedded DML precompiler, data definition language interpreter, and query evaluation engine. When we talked about storage manager, we understood that as the interface between low-level data stored in the database and the application programs and the queries submitted by the system. As well, we understood components of store manager such as authorization of integrity manager, transaction manager, file manager, and buffer manager. Coming on to the disk storage, we understood the data files which stores the database and data dictionary, indices, and statistical data. The learning objective of this session is to enable the students to understand the accounting package Tally and its features. After the completion of the session, the students will be able to understand the Tally and its features. Now, content of this session is Tally, different versions of Tally, how to get into and come out of Tally, features of Tally, which has both general features and accounting features, and we'll try to attempt to answer the questions which are based on MCQs. Tally is a window-based accounting software. It is designed and marketed by Tally Solutions Private Limited, earlier known as Puretronics Private Limited. The first version was released in 1988. Mr. Bharat Goenka is a developer of this software. It is a fully Indian software and it is one of the mostly financial software which help business to make informed decisions to increase efficiency. It provides a comprehensive solutions for accounting and inventory records in the business. So it is basically Windows operating system which is menu driven. One can select the option from the given menu, that is the list options on the screen, and it is most commonly used powerful accounting package. In short, it is a financial accounting software package which is designed for a complete business accounting and inventory management. It facilitates like government supported format, multilingual operations, online functions, and processing for small business, medium business, and shops. Now let's move to the different versions of Tally. Tally 4.5. The Tally was started with the first version of Tally 4.5, which was a DOS-based program. This program was very lightweight and very fast in operation. Tally 5.4. The next version was 5.4, which was graphic interface version. It became popular in the masses. Its printed copy made it more popular accounting software. The next version was Tally 6.3, which was truly window-based version which could support fast printing and VAT implementation. Tally 6.3 came with a watertight security in terms of piracy. The next version of Tally was 7.2. It was also a fast version with lots of new features like statutory compliant versions. Different VAT rules for different states was achieved with this version. The next version was 8.1. It was developed with a new data structure of Tally. A module of payroll was added to it. It could not live up to the expectations with the people and marred by bugs. Company rectified many, but the version could not become popular and the company has to abort it before time and launched a new version, which is Tally 9. This version has maximum features. All other versions have been declared end of life period by Tally company. Tally 9 has advanced features like excise for dealers, payroll, fringe benefit tax, TDS, ETDS, filing facility, etc., along with its regular features related to accounting. The latest version is Tally ERP 9. It has all the features required for high performance business management, including remote access, audit, and statutory compliance service, an integrated support center, and security management, all focused on delivering peace of mind. Let's understand how to start Tally ERP 9 and how to exit Tally ERP 9. There are two ways in which we can start Tally ERP 9. Once the Tally ERP 9 package is downloaded, software is downloaded, we can go to Start button, go to Program and click on Tally ERP 9 to start with Tally. Or if ERP package is been stored on the desktop as an icon, you can have a double click on the Tally ERP icon to start with a Tally. As I told you, it is menu driven. We can select the option from the given menu or the list options in the screen once we are logging into the ERP. Likewise, the Tally can be closed by going to Gateway of Tally, Escape. Once we press the Escape button, it shows Quit. There will be an option Yes or No. So when you press Y, that is S button, you will be out of Tally ERP 9. There's the other shortcut. Going to the Gateway of Tally, when you press Ctrl Q, automatically you will come out of the Tally package. Now let's move on to general features of Tally. Tally basically provides complete business solutions. It means it is a financial software facilitating enhanced efficiency. It gives solution to accounting and inventory management issues. And this is a software the writing of which does not require accounting codes. So it's an integrated and non-integrated accounting software along with the inventory. It also performs the simultaneous task of maintaining accounts as well as inventory. So therefore, it has multi-platform availability. Apart from that, it is more user friendly. That is because everything is menu driven. You can select from the list to perform the operations. Next, it is web enabled, means to say while working with Tally, you can browse by clicking the browse button. Let's move on to the other features of Tally. It has ease of backup and restoration of accounting data. And it is very simple in Tally. This is because nearly 1,000 accounting entries can be backed up in less than 25 MB of space. So, it is characterized by ease of backup and restoration of accounting data. It has a strong password protect the sensitive accounting data from unauthorized access and manipulation. It also provides reconciliation of their bank accounts with the bank statements, and it has data encryption, and moreover it also facilitates tally log storage facility. Apart from that, there is a fast generation of reports such as balance sheet, profit and loss account, accounting ratio. Income and expenditure statements are also available. Import and export of data is available. Tally Vault is used to keep the data in an encrypted format instead of a normal format. It enables the data to keep the data for one company in one directory. These are some of the general features of Tally. There are accounting features too. When we talk about accounting features of Tally, again we have some of the general features, and apart from the general features, it also provides maintenance of accounts in the form of company features like integration of accounts and inventory, income and expenses statement instead of P&L account. It also allows multi-currency operations in maintenance of books of accounts. It also facilitates outstanding management, maintenance of bill-wise details, activate interest calculation, cost profit center management, and of course invoicing. So Tally software offers different advantages and provides a complete business solution to any of the business organization. Now, based on the session, let's try to answer the questions. First question is Tally packages developed by Dash. Options are Coral Software, Vedika Software, Tally Solutions, and Microsoft. Yes, the name itself is there, Tally Solutions. So answer is C, Tally Solutions. Now let's move on to the next question. Tally Dash is DOS based. So they're asking for the version. Which version is based on DOS? That is this operating system. Yes, the first version, that is answer is D, 4.5. Now let's move on to the next question. Tally ERP9, which is the latest version, has the features like fast operation, all the features which has been mentioned here, new data structure, graphic interface. Yes, answer is B, all the features. Let's move on to the next one. Command which is used to close the ERP9 is, options are Control Q, Shift Q, Alt Q, and none of the above. We have discussed there are two ways to come out of Tally package. So that is, yeah, Control Q. Answer is A. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following are the features of Tally? It's user friendly, web enabled, multi-platform availability, and all of the above. Just now we discussed that Tally is an accounting software which is user friendly, menu driven. We can access internet while using Tally. It provides both accounts and inventory management. So answer is D, all of the above. So these are some of the books referred for making the session and PPT. Thank you.